How to convert a specific volume measurement in ml to its equivalent weight measurement in mg.
Hello, aspiring chemists. Today, we're going to dive into a fundamental topic in the world of chemistry and physics, converting volume measurements in milliliters, ml, to weight measurements in milligrams, mg. Remember, this conversion is substance dependent, meaning that we need to know the specific substance we're dealing with because each substance has a unique density.
What is density?
Density is a key concept in this conversion. It is the measure of mass per unit of volume. In other words, density equals mass, volume. It's typically measured in grams per cc, gram per cc, or kilograms per cubic meter, kilogram per cubic meter, in the metric system. But don't worry, we can convert these to suit our needs.
How to find density?
Before converting volume to mass, we need to know the density of the specific substance. This information can usually be found in a reference book or reputable online resources. Keep in mind that temperature and pressure can affect the density of a substance.
The conversion process.
Once we know the density of the substance, we can proceed with the conversion. Suppose we have the density in gram per milliliter. Here's the process. 1. Firstly, multiply the volume in ml by the density. This will give you the mass in grams because density, gram per milliliter, asterisk volume, ml, equals mass, g. 2. Since we want the mass in milligrams, we need to convert grams to milligrams. Recall that 1 gram is equivalent to 1,000 milligrams. So, multiply the result by 1,000 to convert grams into milligrams. And that's it. You've successfully converted volume in ml to weight in mg, given that you know the density of the substance.
An example.
Let's put this into practice with an example. Suppose we have 2 milliliters of water, and we want to find its weight in mg. We know that the density of water is about 1 gram per milliliter at room temperature. 1. Multiply the volume by the density. 2 milliliters asterisk 1 gram per milliliter equals 2 grams, 2. Convert grams to milligrams. 2 grams asterisk 1,000 equals 2,000 milligrams. So, 2 milliliters of water weighs approximately 2,000 milligrams. There you have it. That's how you convert volume in ml to weight in mg using the concept of density. It's a fundamental skill in chemistry and other scientific disciplines, and now you've mastered it. Remember, the key is to know the density of the substance you're working with. Happy converting, and keep exploring the world of chemistry.